Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of being here, you're welcome to my channel. And if not, thank you for stopping by again. My name is Asan Mariam, a diction, phonics and public speaking coach. In today's video, I will be introducing to you the sounds of English language. Based on the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet, we have 44 sounds in English language. Out of this 44, it is divided into the vowel sound and the consonant sounds. We have 20 vowel sounds in English and 24 consonant sounds in English. Note, we're talking about sounds and not letters of the alphabet of English language. In the letters of the alphabet of English language, we have 5 letters that are the vowel letters. And we have the remaining 21 to be the consonant letters. Based on this video, we are talking about the sounds of English language. And we are going to be focusing more on the vowel sounds of English language. Out of these vowel sounds, we have 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. In these 12 monophthongs, we also have the long vowel sound and the short vowel sound. Most times, the long vowel sound is pronounced longer based on its name, longer than the short vowel sound. We have 5 long monophthongs in English language. They are the E, R, O, U. I'm going to take it again. We have E, R, O, and U. Let's take some examples. The E, you find it in words like deed, key, see, seat. For the second one being R, you find it in words like star, car, sharp. For the third one, the you find it in words like nurse, girl, turn, search. For the fourth one, we have all, as in call, talk, saw. And for the last one, we have oo, as in do, shoe, food, and so on and so forth. I hope you try this as often as possible, and I hope you got value. Don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe on my channel. And don't forget to hit the like button and the notification button so as for you to get prompts anytime I make a post. Till I come your way again, think right and speak right. Bye-bye.